This is verse 10 of the second chapter, the Gospel of Matthew. The wise men, the Magi from the east, have taken their leave of Herod. They have now rediscovered the star, which seems in the preceding verse to have acted much more precisely, coming and standing over the place where the child was, the very house. And so we can only imagine exactly what that meant, but certainly the reaction of the wise men is made quite evident to us here. So we have idontes. Idontes is from edo, it means to see. It's also sometimes viewed as derived from blepo, to see. This is the aorist, active participle, masculine singular nominative. So having seen, aorist participle, time preceding the time of the leading verb. So having seen would be the idea, the postpositive, and having seen, and then tone, the accusative, singular, article, tone estera. Having seen the star, so we've heard about the star in the preceding verse, acting much more precisely than it had apparently in previous visions of the star. So having seen the star, and then of a really remarkable phrase here, beginning with ekarisan. This is from Cairo. It means to rejoice. This is the third person plural, aorist active indicative. So they rejoiced. That would be enough, but then we have acting as a direct object of ekarisan, joy. So they joyfully rejoiced, I guess. There's really no way to translate this idiomatically from Greek, because it is really not translatable, but you get the idea. We have a great rejoicing, and the direct object is joy. So they rejoiced with joy, maybe we might say. But then to add to that, megalein. This is an adjective. It's the aorist singular adjective. So they rejoiced, and their rejoicing was a very great joy. And then finally, we have the indeclinable adverb, svodra. This actually means exceedingly. So to add even more emphasis to it, we have four words here. Almost impossible to translate literally, but you get the idea. So they rejoiced with exceeding great joy would be the idea. You can just imagine they were shouting their joy, probably as they saw this supernatural spectacle in the sky that was pointing rather precisely to the very house where this young child had been born, or was now residing, probably within the first year or two of his life there in Bethlehem. And so we pick up the drama as it is told to us by Matthew from there.